All right, it's January 5th, 6:26 a.m. And last video we did, I was a little harsh on my colleague that I work with, but turns out it's just a version issue. This is the app. It's working now. Notice the trend lines: red for resistance, green for support. This is a custom application that we've built on top of Interactive Brokers. Nobody else in the entire world has this except for my colleague. And the guys that built it with me. Yes, so this is very good. We're going to switch to 5 minutes. Let's just do 1 day and generate trend line. Basically, what you're seeing now is 1 day of price action. So and it's increments of 1 hour. So it makes sense. This is basically one session, one full current session. Let's switch from 1 hour to 5 minutes and get that. I love it. It's working just fine now. So here's what it does. We control a resistance, but it doesn't work until we populate. Stop tick multiplier is going to be 10 stop, 10 ticks. Quantity of trade is going to be 10 contracts. Add take profit. Got to make it percentage wise. 10 ticks for 50%, and then we'll add another one. And then 10, 20, 15 ticks for 50%. Okay, submit. Now it's ready to arm. We have a resistance. So if this gets broken, it will buy because it's in trend following mode. And as far as selling, we'll put a little support here. So basically, when it breaks out of this triangle here, we're going to have a breakout trade. It'll trade. Okay, so we're just going to have to wait for a breakout. If it breaks the support, it's going to sell. If we activate trend reversal, then it would ultimately be buying this break. But right now, you're going to see, okay, see, it sold. So we just saw that order got sold, and that's based off the trend lines. It's pretty fucking sweet. This is actually the first time I've used it on this computer. I've just let my developers that I work with kind of run it. But now I'm like, I need to make some changes too because I'm a coder as well. So we have just sold. We did it. It does it in 2 separate increments because remember we did 50%. So here's what it did. It did. Why did this stop loss fail? This is an old trade, so ignore that. Okay, so this is what it just did. 5 and 5. Remember we did 10, and then we got the trail is 2.5, which is 10 ticks. So it sold. And we've got a buy target at 12.75, so it's right now it's at 7.14 and then we have the other take profit at one's at 11.5 and one's at 12.75. Okay, so that's how it works. It's pretty fucking cool. So we basically just trades breakouts. This is what we built. This is how it works. It's fucking sweet. So this is custom made. And if you want it, you can pay a lot of money for it from us. And I'll give some money to the girl that hired us to buy it because I'm a nice fucking guy. I am fucking stoked with this thing. This thing is awesome. And it's got a trailing at 2.5. So we expect this to all be working just fine. There was a little mistake there with that bar closing. It just closed and gapped. So actually I just figured an error there. So that's a mistake. When bar closed, it deleted the history for. Okay. Sorry for getting frustrated, but this could have all been resolved if you just set up properly as asked earlier. So this thing is fucking awesome. As you can see, this thing just trades based off of it does have a cap at the pricing. We need to add something to that. But that is awesome. So we've got that working, and I've got the code so I can fix it up. And what am I running? Am I running the actual app? Yes, I am. So I can minimize, so I can code, I can fix, I can just do some coding on top. I'm going to pin this. This is pinned. It should have been pinned. Pin it. Pin this bitch. Okay, it's pinned. Good. All right, so we can see the orders. We can see this bad boy. Unfortunately, it doesn't move if we get new low prices. So that's an issue. New low prices. New low prices do not appear on chart. So that's an issue. So we can't see any of the new low prices. We'd have to restart the chart. That's kind of annoying. We'll have to fix that later. But nonetheless, let's take a look at crude oil. I think we'll have an issue with the month, and this exchange is not. Order canceled. Why? Because it bought. It filled at the profit taker at 12.75. Are you guys getting this desktop audio? Yes. Let's make sure you're getting the desktop audio. Oh shit, you're not. You could see in the bottom that order filled. Properties. Default. Let's see if that worked. There we go. So you'll hear the order filled come through from now on. So basically we have to close that out, and you'll see if we hit ES, generate trend line, you'll see new lows came in. So it's a 12.70, 12 quarter. So that's an issue that we have. New lows, new highs are not updating on the chart. That's definitely annoying. I don't even know where to start with that, really. Let's see what the files are. Is there anybody even watching this stream? I don't know. I doubt it. Analytics. Nope. No fucking people. You tasteless sons of bitches. You have zero taste in anything. So we got profit taken at 12.75. The rest is at 11.5. It hasn't filled that, but it's still working that half. And then the stop, of course, is adjusted for this one. Well, the stop's the same, but you can't see it canceled the first stop because of it took half. It took its profit. So that position doesn't exist anymore. So we're still short this bad boy. We can reset this. Just do 15, add take profit. That's kind of annoying that it does that every time. 15 and 100. So we'll just add take profit. Total percent is already at 100%. No more free ups can be added. Submit. Okay. So we'll just basically say, hey, let's draw a little support here. Oh, that's not big enough, actually. Let's delete that. We need more data. That's kind of annoying. Let's do 15 days. Should get historical data now. It's loading. It should be loading. Where is the data? Why can't I see shit? That's kind of annoying. Sometimes it doesn't allow us. So that's a little bit of a mistake, a little bit of an error there. You can't scroll. But if you do it again, let's see. Nope, can't scroll at all. That's a bug. We'll have to fix that. 10 days is better. See, it's at the fucking low. What am I gonna do with that? I can't do shit with that. Okay. 5 minutes is too much. Let's do hour 10. See, I just need it to not be at the fucking session low. 20 days. I just want to be able to draw. Okay, there we go. Perfect. So we're at 12 quarter. Straw support here at 1178. Oh, we have to add our 10, 10, add take profit, get rid of that annoying thing. 16 and then 100%. Submit it and then draw. And it'll be support. So if this gets broken, that's at 10, that's at 11. Basically, if we get through 11, it's going to trigger a sell order again. And basically, for this resistance, if we start getting above this resistance, it'll trigger a buy. Now, we could activate the trend reversal, like I said, but right now, we're not doing that. So, this is pretty cool. This basically will trade on breakouts. Okay? It's very fucking powerful. Let's take a look at another instrument. We need to fix the aesthetics of this bad boy, definitely. But we'll worry about that later. CL, crude oil. CL, NYMEX. NYMEX. Don't have ARCA. Fuck ARCA. I don't think...
Order cancelled.
Look at that. It bought the S&P. Why?
Order filled.
Why? Bought. Oh, no. It bought it at 11.5. It took profit. That's why. So we got our profit take. That was not the trigger. We did not get a trigger. That was related to the old trade. We just got our profit taken on that old trade. I wonder where Apple is, because I'm long Apple calls. God damn it. But I'm also long Apple Microsoft put spread. So hopefully, if Apple's getting fucked, hopefully can say the same for Microsoft, which is at 67.5. It's not that weak. Low for the day is 67.5, which is the low of the day. Apple's getting fucked at 180.30. Man, they're just selling the fuck out of Apple following those downgrades. So this is the S&Ps. We want to get back to crude. Here's crude oil. I love it. We can do it multiple things here. Let's scroll over. Look at how nice this is. So we can just say, hey, stop ticks multiplier 15, which is basically $1.50, I believe. No, that'd be 15 cents. Quantity, we'll do 10. We'll add take profit. We'll say, hey, profit ticks. We'll do 15 percentage 100. Okay, let's submit it. We need to move these buttons. Let's get out of this. I wish we could change the time frame in real time, like as we had it open. Let's go to 10 minutes. See how that works. Yeah, this will be a little bit cooler. 15 ticks profit, do 10 contracts, add take profit. That thing is so annoying. 15, I'm going to have to fix that percentage, 100, and submit it. Okay, so now we'll just do a support right over here. So when that gets broken, it's going to end up... What the fuck's going on? I wonder if it's related to... weird. I think it's because we already have one open. I think that's the reason. Yeah, we already have one open. So we can't do multiple. And this is not deleting. Okay, delete it. Get rid of it. Generate new trend line. Stop ticks multiplier 10. Quantity 10. Add tick. Okay, get the fuck out of the way. Profit ticks 10. 100. Submit. Submitted. Let's go over here. Should be a support. Green, yeah. Perfect. So, as you can see, it's all based off, you can only have one instrument running. It's so heavy on resources, I guess. So we got our resistance and our support. Basically, if that breaks out, it would trigger a trade. We closed it, so that won't work anymore. We don't need 20 days. We can do 10. All right, zoom it in. We got 10 days. We don't even need 10 days. We can just close this. We can do 1 day. That's all we need. And then we get closer. Look at this. Perfect. So we do 10 ticks of profit. We do 10 contracts. Add a take profit. Current total percentage 0. And we'll do profit ticks is going to be 10. And the percentage will be 100. Submit it. All right. So we'll have our overhead resistance. You break this resistance, you're going to trigger a buy. Okay. Wait. What's the issue? You break this, you're going to trigger a buy. You break this, you're going to trigger a sell. Okay, so you can draw multiple. We can do a horizontal, like we like this support here. We say, all right, you break that, we want to be selling. You break this, we want to be buying. This works. Now, if we want to be selling the resistance and buying the support, all you do is activate trend reversal. That's not what we're doing right now. So this is pretty fucking powerful technology. This didn't exist until we built this. Oh, wait. Oh, man. TWS, they just actually integrated in the advanced chart. But it doesn't do as much as what we're doing as far as the take profit and stops, I don't believe. But that's fucking crazy. But we're just watching. TWS does have this feature now. Let's actually look at that and see how comparable it is. Because I don't think... Chart thumbnail. Where's the advanced? Advanced. New window chart. Oh, it doesn't exist in this version. Interesting. So it's in the newer version that they have that. Weird. No problem. No problem. So we're just watching this. This is what we've built. It's pretty amazing. Definitely has a lot more customization capabilities. NASDAQ was at its low. We got unemployment figures here at 8:30, so that's going to be exciting. I'm putting the mic down.